I'll say it again. God is the one who said, I will bless those who bless you, and I will curse those who curse you. Now, not long ago in February, South Africa took Israel to ICJ. And we have done a video about that. It's in the bottom here. South Africa took Israel to ICJ. Now, I want you to look at what's happening to South Africa. Now, a severe drought has hit the entire region of South Africa. If you haven't seen that video, I want you to just click on the link below here. They took Israel to ICJ. All right. And by the time it came into March, into April, there was already drought, severe drought affecting the whole Southern African region. God is the one who said, I'll bless those who bless you, and I'll curse those who curse you. South Africa is paying a price right now, and if they do not change their relationship with Israel, everything is just going to go downhill. And I'm here to say that, including change of leadership, all right, including change of leadership, rioting, looting, and that nation is heading for collapse, all right, because of what they did to Israel by taking Israel to ICJ, all right. And this is a warning for every single nation on the earth. If you are going to come after Israel, let me say it again. It is God who said, I'll bless those who bless you, and I'll curse those who curse you. And this is a prophetic word to all the nations on the earth. Examine your relationship with Israel. Israel is a vine, and the nations that are connected or that are grafted into that vine will flourish. The nations that will remove themselves from these relationships, nations that will disconnect themselves from this relationship, nations that will disconnect themselves from the grafting, from the connection to Israel, will begin to experience a withering and a dying.
News.
Hello and welcome to our viewers here in the United States and all around the world. I'm Paula Newton, and we are following breaking news out of Iran, where state media has now confirmed the death of President Ibrahim Raisi and the country's foreign minister after a deadly helicopter crash. Now, rescue crews are now at a staging area. Those are live pictures, and you are looking at a photo of it right there. The president and other officials had been attending a ceremony for the opening of a new dam near the border with Azerbaijan. Rescuers faced difficult weather conditions overnight, including cold and heavy fog, as they scrambled to locate the crash site. Iranians were urged to pray for the president amid news of the crash, with the country's supreme leader vowing that there will be no disruption in Iran's work. CNN's Paula Hancock is following all of these developments and joins us now live from Abu Dhabi. We should say state media has officially declared that their president has died, and we have not heard again from the supreme leader.
Iran's President Ibrahim Raisi has been killed in a helicopter crash. Iran's state TV says Raisi, his foreign minister, and others died in a remote region near the border with Azerbaijan. Iran's supreme leader, Ali Khamenei, has appointed an interim president who must hold elections within the next 50 days. He's also ordered 5 days of national mourning.
Search teams scoured the foggy mountains in northwestern Iran for hours. Eventually locating the crashed helicopter and finding no sign of survivors. Rescuers pulled bodies from the burned wreckage. The helicopter went down near Iran's border with Azerbaijan, where President Raisi and his foreign minister had been attending a dam opening ceremony. Iran's state TV confirmed news of their deaths, sending shockwaves across Iran, with leaders across the world offering their condolences.
First of all,